SBL Introduction Series Video 1. Congrats on reaching this far. Your next exam is SBL. So let's get straight into it. Strategic Business Leader, or SBL for short, is a unique exam. Very different from the other ACCA exams you have sat so far at the skills levels. So first, let us see what makes this exam so different and unique. First, let's understand the purpose of this exam. Purpose of the SBL exam. The aim of the syllabus is to demonstrate organizational leadership and senior consultancy or advisory capabilities and relevant professional skills through the context of an integrated case study. The syllabus is examined using the 100% integrated case study, examining a spread of organizational functions. There will be just one case study discussed in the entire exam, and all the questions would relate to that company alone. The rationale for the SBL exam is as follows. Leadership and governance. Strategy requires an understanding of risk management. Technology and data analytics are transforming businesses. Organizational control includes internal audit. Financial aspects support decision-making. Innovation, performance excellence, and change management are essential to organizational success. The aim of the SBL syllabus is to combine the main functions of organizations in the context of leadership capabilities. Leadership, governance, strategy, risk, technology and data analytics, organizational control and audit, finance in planning and decision-making, innovation, performance excellence, and change management. The SBL video series is divided into 3 parts. Number 1. Introduction. Including this video, we will cover important topics like understanding what the exam is about, the syllabus, how to approach the exam, and what makes this exam unique from the rest of ACCA exams. Number 2. Business strategy and analytics, including topics like business, people, and project management. Number 3. Governance, risk, and ethics. How many hours should I study for this paper? SBL has a broader syllabus than other professional qualifying exams. The assessment style is a fully integrated case study and the substantial use of professional skills marking. It requires more proficiency in writing skill and answer presentation than your previous F-level papers. Allow adequate time for case study, style preparation, and revision. Please note that professional skills will be tested in your professional options papers as well, and there is a detailed video on the same in this series. What is the SBL exam all about? 4-hour exam, 240 minutes. Time management will be discussed later in this video. 100 marks, 80 marks for application of technical content and 20 marks for professional skills. You will be able to use the knowledge gained from your foundation papers, F1 to F9. 50 marks to pass, like all ACCA exams. 12 to 15 pages of case study information, all provided on exam day itself. All tasks are based on the same scenario. Emphasis is on combination of technical and professional skills, and same will apply to other professional options papers. Information provided in the case. Background information about the company. Board or organization reports. Financial statement excerpts. Competitor landscape. Interviews with BOD, staff, or any other stakeholder. Minutes of meetings. Newspapers articles. Website extracts. Emails or memos. IR reports. Survey results. Spreadsheets. Pictures. Figures, tables, images, graphs. Time management. Total 4 hours exam, 240 minutes. Recommended reading time and answer planning, 40 minutes. Answer writing, 200 minutes. 200 minutes to write for 80 marks equates to 2.5 minutes per mark. Important to note. Professional skills don't need separate time allotment, since you do not need to write something new or extra. It is demonstrated by the manner in which you write and present your answer. 30 minutes is recommended reading time, but some candidates may choose to allot 60 minutes to the same. In that case, your writing time reduces. Answer planning. Marks allocation. 1 mark is equal to 1 valid point is equal to 2 or 3 sentences. So, 10 marks is equal to 10 valid points is equal to 20 to 30 sentences. Time management. 1 mark is equal to 2.5 minutes. 10 marks is equal to 25 minutes. How to answer questions. Do's and don'ts. Do's. Make your most crucial points first. Suppose you have to answer a 10 marks question, so you need to make 10 valid points, and you got 15 points in the case scenario. So should you write all 15 points? Answer is no. Only write your 10 most crucial points within 25 minutes. Anything you write more by spending more than 25 minutes will be a waste of time. Demonstrate your skill to prioritize. Illustrate a clear understanding of what is required of you and integrate knowledge. Don'ts. Repeat points and choose the question where that point is best suited. Explain an applicable model in too much detail, without applying it to the industry or company on hand, or partially doing it. Note: entire models need not be tested. For example, in pastel, only 2 or 3 elements could be questioned or applicable. So read the requirements carefully. How to understand requirements in question tasks. Analyze the question to find these components. Your role. You could be playing one role in all the tasks, say management consultant, or different roles in different tasks, say project manager in one, and internal auditor in another. The intended audience. You could be preparing briefing notes for the audit committee on the findings of your audit in one task, and could be drafting presentation slides to the BOD on the need and benefits of IR. to the organization in the next task. Focus on whom you are addressing. For example, if you are addressing non-finance staff, do not assume they have the knowledge of financial terms at your level of understanding. Explain them in a basic but succinct manner. The format required. It could be a memo or spreadsheet or PowerPoint presentation. Use the CBE available on ACCAglobal.com. To practice all formats, so you are comfortable with using any on exam day. The required verb or verb. Are you required to explain, compare and contrast, draft, analyze, critically evaluate or justify? What you are asked to do with again links back to your professional skills and will be explained in more detail in another video in this series. Any calculations required? Remember, SBL builds on your F-papers knowledge, so you could be asked to calculate the ROI on strategic options or critically evaluate the assumptions on a provided calculation. So you will not be required to do detailed calculations, but will need this technical knowledge to answer the requirements satisfactorily. Any theoretical model that can be applied to the question. The marks allocated to the question. We have discussed already how to calculate your time as per marks. Professional skills tested in that task.